tank is in those crates, sir.
urabona nta modoka agera hafi mu ijana 42 yuzuye imipanga.
Last but not least, General Ndiki in the flesh.
uriya yitwa Ndekezi cyangwa se Ndeke.
And right next to him is even more fanatical Chief Lieutenant Umbe Gonzalez.
nanone ari kumwe na Chief Lieutenant wundi mugenzi we bari gukorana witwa Ganza.
Now these two,
Umbe Ganza.
Ndiki and Gonzalez.
ndetse ngo abagabo bakaba basanzwe bahigwa na UN kubera ibyaha bakoreye mu Rwanda bakoze iyo jenoside n'ubundi na mbere.
Both have men that are very loyal to them.
Sure, join.
muri 94 abagabo babiri bari gukorana bari abanzi none bashyize hamwe barongera barafatanya bamaze guhunga u Rwanda. ngo bahunze u Rwanda bajya muri Kongo bava Kongo bajya i Burundi. nabo bashaka kongera gutegura indi jenoside.
It's guerrilla warfare at its finest. Surround them, establish choke points.
But unlike Nazi Germany,
abagabo tubazenguruke aho ngaho bari gutegura ibyo bintu byose tubarasira aho ngaho. ikibazo ntabwo ari ugupfa kurasa.
a surveillance team here.
hano turashyira surveillance team ikipe igomba gucunga yaje kubibwira ya kipe yose yo muri iyi link.
Now this show of force will
bari bukuru bakumira iyo jenoside itaraba.
prevent bloodshed altogether.
Major, how long will this deterrent force remain in theater? A week?
ibyo bintu byatwara igihe kingana iki nk'icyumweru.
My job is to protect the interests of the U.S.
inshingano zanjye ni ukurinda inyungu za Amerika. aho ngaho dufitemo iyihe nyungu rero mu kuba twajya kwita ku Barundi? dufitemo iyihe nyungu?
Are zero in Burundi.
nta nyungu n'imwe irimo.
Interest in preventing failed states. Now, Africa is a prime breeding ground for the next wave of terrorism.
ati Afurika mushobora kumva ko mushobora kwanga kuyitabara none ariko muri kubona ko ari ishobora kuzavamo ibindi byebe byinshi cyane cyane muramuka muyitereranye gutya bizaza guhemukira Amerika.
Evidence here of a genocide is flimsy at best, Major. You have General Ndiki, a parking lot of cars, and a radio tower. Genocide is the deliberate and systematic execution.
I know the definition, Miss Liston. We're trying to prevent it because once it starts,
ati ubusobanuro bwa jenoside ndabuzi nibyo ndi kugerageza kubasobanurira hano.
Troops to fight the terrorists that exist today. Where the hell are we going to get 2,000 troops to send to Burundi? From Iraq? Afghanistan?
none se ubundi turakura abasirikare bagomba kujya gukumira ibyo bintu. turazana bari muri Iraq, turazana bari muri Afghanistan.
I mean, it can't always be about U.S. interests, can it?
ntibashaka gutabara Afurika.
Garrity, you want to weigh in on this?
we bino wabivugaho iki? ntibashaka kubyumva.
Major, no one in Burundi is going to blow up a bus in London or fly a plane into the Pentagon. I know that sounds cold, but maybe when you've been in the building a little longer, you'll understand the need to establish priorities.
umusore baramukatiye ntawe ubyitayeho. ati ntabwo uzigera ubona abo Barundi baje guturitsa bisi mu Bwongereza bambaye ibisasu, ntuzabona baje guturitsa inzu zo muri Amerika, mbega nta byebe bibarimo. mu bihorerero birwariza abagabo ntabwo batwitayeho.
Hey, I did you a favor by moving those satellites. Your mission didn't fly.
ngenda guha uburenganzira kugira ngo umukoreshe satellite muri biri kwabera. misiyo yawe nimba banze ko ikomeza ntungendeho. mva
A word of advice.
sangugira inama.
If I were new in the building,
baye ndiweho muri Pentagon,
my tone when I was talking to somebody 7 pay grades above.
nakajye ncunga amagambo mbwira abantu bandusha guhembwa. uzi ko mpembwa hejuru yawe inshuro nyinshi ukaza umbwira ubusa. umugabo yamwihenuyeho shawo. isori byose ari kubikora kugira ngo arebe ko iyi jenoside yahagarara. bimeze bite? nakwereka ya modoka ya Jean. aba babibonye kare kwasho abantu bo babaga no mu Rwanda babonye ibyahabaye barashaka ngo guhunga. mugende bano bagabo bazi aho bataye imipanga yabo bagarutse hano. bimeze bite? katurore bano bari gucana. bimeze bite? bimeze imbere.
What's this?
ibi ni iki?
House brew, sir. Hazelnut.
Thought you didn't get coffee.
I made an exception, sir. Don't get used to it. I appreciate you trying, Major.
ndagushimira.
Somebody else did.
byibura yagerageje kubumvisha nubwo byanze.
What is it, sir?
ni ibiki nyakubahwa?
It's just, it's one thing for Al-Ghazi and Liston to cut me away, but
The colonel didn't take up.
ibi byose biri guterwa na raporo twasabye na Aligazi. bo bahugijwe nyine no gukora raporo y'iriya bije yabo, ntabwo bitaye nyine kubira i Burundi.
You don't take up for yourself on this, the colonel will never respect you.
well, it's not like I can.
umva koroneri yakubwiye guhakaniye rimwe ukahita ubyemera ntabwo abazigira kuba hagenda umutesha umutwe. nicyo umukobwa ari gushaka kumubwira. nimbanze kubekiza gukora ikintu kirego cy'i Burundi genda umusteresi.
Close, huh?
Major,
Major,
other than my father, I've never met a man that I respect more than Eli McNulty. The colonel is like a blow pop.
ati koroneri ni umugabo nubaha cyane yambereye nka papa.
He did 5 years in Vietnam, but I can't even get him to talk about him. We're like family. But hey, I understand why some people are a little afraid of him.
Listen, Cully, I'm due to sign up. I'll call you back in 5, Cully.
ndaguhamagara mu kanya rebe.
Sir,
yashana
that op didn't stand a chance, didn't you?
birasa nkaho nta mahirwe muri kuma ngo nkore imisiyo.
Al-Ghazi's budget priorities, I suppose that I...
ari gazi ibyo yagusabye nibyo ugomba gushyira imbere y'ibindi ibyo ari byose.
Just that, but apparently you needed to learn the hard way. Now, I don't know what you thought you were signing up for here, son.
wa musore wagira ngo ntabwo uzi akazi wasabye hano cyangwa akazi wasinyiye hano.
Able, sir. A chance to make a difference on the little things, like a genocide in Africa.
jewe akazi nasinyiye hano ni ukureba ko nakumira ibyaha ku isi cyane cyane no ikiri hejuru gukumira icyaha jenoside cyangwa se guhagarika ubugizi bwa nabi tugahindura isi.
Good luck finding those tickets.
Don't even think about going out that door, soldier. This building is not an office, it's a battlefield.
wa musore bino biro ubona ntabwo bimeze nk'ari ibiro bisanzwe ahubwo ni mu rugamba, ni kuri battlefield, ni hahandi nyine urugamba rubera, ntabwo ari ukuvuga ngo ni ibiro bisanzwe naho ubundi durebye ni nk'urugamba.
Wave a tiny white hanky and surrender.
nawe byo kuvuga ngo turi kugenda ngo twirukanka ngo kuri ibyo bintu ngo by'amoko ari kurwana amanitse amadarapo, ibyo ntabwo tubishaka. aho bavuga ngo ni ubwoko ngo bumanitse amadarapo ngo biraho byoroshye, abagabo bari kumarana. iriya mipanga mumbaza ni iyi, barwaza imipanga avuga ati iyo mipanga ni iyi, umugabo yarakubiswe.
Take this fool to Papa.